In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly check your buying power in Robinhood, whether you're using the app on your phone or the website on your computer. Knowing your buying power is an essential part of managing your investments. It tells you exactly how much money you have available to purchase stocks, options, or cryptocurrencies, so you never have to second guess whether you're ready to make a trade. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log in to your Robinhood account. You can do this either through the mobile app or by visiting the Robinhood website. Make sure you enter your login credentials securely and, if prompted, complete any additional verification steps such as two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen if you're on the website. You'll see an option labeled Robinhood Legend. Go ahead and click on that. This option is your gateway to account settings and information on the web version of Robinhood. If you're using the Robinhood app, here's what you need to do next. At the bottom right corner of your screen, there's an icon that looks like a little person or a silhouette. This is the account icon, and tapping it will take you straight to your account details. On the website, you'll find a similar icon at the top right. Just click on it and you'll be brought to your account overview. After you've accessed your account page, you'll notice several key financial figures displayed. What you're looking for today is your buying power, which is shown right at the top of the account page, just below your main balance. Buying power represents the total amount of funds you can use to place trades immediately. It includes settled cash, as well as any instant deposits, minus any funds tied up in pending orders or recent trades that haven't settled yet. If you're ever unsure of what counts toward your buying power, remember that this number doesn't include any funds tied up in open positions or ongoing transactions. It's simply the amount available for you to trade with right now. That's all there is to it. Checking your buying power is quick and straightforward, yet it's a critical step every trader should take before making investment decisions. By following these steps, you can easily stay on top of your available funds, so you always know where you stand before your next trade. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check your buying power regularly whenever you trade on Robinhood. Stay informed, trade wisely, and see you next time.